So to write a very good explainer video script which will help you get clients and earn money, there are some things you need to understand which I will share in this video. So you have to first understand that writing of the script is very important. So take your time when doing it. So I'm going to play one of my video now. I want you to watch and understand the video. Then after which we will break and explain the component you need to come up with a good script that converts.
Are you in search of your dream home? Finding your dream home should not be stressful. Introducing HouseSpot, your best and trusted real estate service. At HouseSpot, we make the process simple. Whether you are buying, selling, or renting, we have got you covered. Contact us today and experience the best deal for you. HouseSpot, where your dream home becomes reality.
So I also have a step-by-step tutorial where I show you how to create explainer videos like this and where to get unlimited prospects so you can message them and start making money. So check that video out if you want to learn more. So after watching the video, you can see that it is divided into hook or presentation of the problem.
Are you in search of your dream home? Finding your dream home should not be stressful.
Solving of a problem.
Introducing HouseSpot, your best and trusted real estate service. At HouseSpot, we make the process simple.
And the call to action.
Contact us today and experience the best deal for you. HouseSpot, where your dream home becomes reality.
So these are the main components all good explainer video will need to have. So if you don't know how to write a good script, then don't worry, I'm here to guide you. You should also note that your script should be short and straight to the point. So there are two main ways in writing explainer video script. First is by using AI such as ChatGPT, or second is by writing it on your own from scratch. So if you don't know how to write, then you can use an AI. But you need to take into consideration the main component that your script should have, which I have shared earlier. So I want you to just imagine a business right now and write a good explainer script for it, as we will continue in the next video. Stay creative. Peace.